Welcome to the Western Pacific Regional Fishery Management Council's Fish Forever podcast about sustainable fishing through effective stewardship. In this episode, we learn about a bottomfish tagging project being conducted in Hawaii that's contributing to our knowledge of these elusive but tasty fish. Bottomfish inhabit different environments during their lifetime. After hatching, the larvae start up in shallower reef, then move into deeper waters as they grow. Understanding more about these fish as well as the other organisms that inhabit both the shallow and deep slope reefs will help us to better manage and protect these valuable resources. To ensure the fishery's future, researchers are trying to learn as much as they can about this precious fishery. How many fish are there? Where can they be found? Do they migrate? What's their life cycle and how fast do they grow? To find out, the Pacific Islands Fisheries Group helped institute a bottomfish tagging program. Kendall Wong of the PIFG explains.
The Bottomfish Tagging Program is a cooperative research project between the National Marine Fisheries Service, the bottomfish fishing community, and Pacific Islands Fisheries Group. The goal is to capture, tag, and release 3,000 of the deep 7 bottomfish.
The fish tagging process is simple enough. After being brought aboard, the fish are quickly identified for species and measured. Then a special applicator is used to apply a dart tag into the fish. The tags are imprinted with a unique ID number, along with a contact phone number that fishermen can call to report their catch. Immediately afterward, the fish are sent back into the deep. Almost all of the bottomfish have something called a swim bladder. It contains air and helps the fish control its buoyancy. But when they're pulled to the surface quickly, the air in the swim bladder expands faster than the fish can vent it. The expanding air causes the fish to get bloated, and it's this bloating that's known as barotrauma. And it can prevent a released fish from getting back down to the safety of the deep. This hollow needle is used to deflate the swim bladder. If the fish's stomach has expanded outside the fish, that too is pushed back into place. Fish that have gone through this do survive the process, and recovered fish tags prove that afterward they're doing just fine. Fish tagged near the island of Molokai have been recovered near Lanai. Other fish have been recaptured near Oahu. This movement is an important aspect of Hawaii's fisheries. This bottomfish tagging project is a cooperative effort among fishers, researchers, and industry experts, which is building a better understanding of one of our most valuable fisheries. Projects like this one support effective coral reef management and conservation so we can enjoy our local fish forever. Please join us again for another Fish Forever podcast brought to you by the Western Pacific Fishery Management Council.